I got this cute Lodge Dutch oven for my birthday a few years ago and haven't used it except one time because it has cute little feetsies on it, so it can't go on a traditional stove. The lid is very, very heavy. It's got this little trivet in the bottom of it. It's also got little feetsies on it to put the meat on. So today we are going to cook a roast in this pot over the fire. Step number 1, build a fire. Now that we have fire, we must let it die down so we can cook on it, because we can't cook on it like this. I'm going to take this beautifully seasoned meat here and put it into my Dutch oven right there. I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to put the lid on, then we're going to take this out and put it on the fire. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to knock some of these coals down to put our pot to cook it from underneath, kind of like that. Move him over there. Now the fun part, since I do not have a shovel, I'm going to pretend I'm Chinese and use chopsticks kind of to put coals on top, so we can also cook it from the top as well. That gives us a nice even cooking to it. We're gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes and then we'll check it and see. It should be about done. You're gonna get your nose burned, Bubba. 15 minutes have elapsed. Let's see how it looks. Oh, hang on, I'll blow it.
Bubba.
Oh, yeah.
Looks nice.
Not for the puppy. Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, bro.
Yummy, yummy. Look at that. Taste test. The smokiness from cooking it in the fire really comes through. That is really good. If you got a pot like that, I recommend that you do it because that is absolutely fabulous. I'm gonna put my fork down now. So I hope you guys try it sometime. Have a great day, everyone, and I will catch y'all later. Mwah. Toodles.